assume the best case scenario and just watch how your life's gonna change. Hi, you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jyotsna, and in today's video, I'm going to talk all about how you need to assume the best case scenario in your mind in order to see a shift in your reality. So, let's get started. What a lot of people miss, and the reason why their manifestation is delayed, is because they aren't assuming the best case scenario in their mind. No matter how much you affirm, no matter how much you do scripting, if you're not assuming the best case scenario in your mind, that is thinking thoughts in your favor and thinking as if whatever your assumptions are already real, it's already something that's true in your life, it is not going to shift in your favor. Just listening to my robotic affirmations tape for 20 to 30 minutes will give you the results that you want, but at the same time, you also have to be extremely conscious about what thoughts you're thinking every single day. In order to truly manifest what you want, you have to assume the best case scenario in your mind. And by best case scenario, I mean the most ideal, the most favorable, the best outcome that you can possibly expect from the desire that you have. I'm talking about that. When you assume the best case scenario, the world literally rearranges in your favor in order to give you that. So, if you want to manifest 10 clients per day and that is what you're looking for, but you keep affirming in your mind that you want to manifest 30 clients per day, whether you like it or not, in time you will start seeing 30 clients per day. That will become your new normal. As long as you normalize your subconscious mind to think that, okay, these sales numbers are normal to me, getting these clients are normal to me. Now, right now, you're currently thinking getting one client per day is normal or getting 10 clients per day is normal. But the second you assume that getting 30 clients per day is your new normal and that is what you believe and that is what is true about your life, you will start seeing a shift. As soon as you shift your energy and assume the best case scenario, things will start working out for you. Every single time someone says, I want to see evidence, sometimes you can't see the evidence in a day, sometimes you can't see it in 2 days, but that doesn't mean that the shift is not happening. It is happening. You have to believe and you have to assume that the shift has already happened in order to see your desired outcome. Even when you don't see any evidence of it, you still assume the best case scenario because you have to assume the fact that the universe bends in your favor. You have to assume that the reality will look exactly how you imagine and visualize it to be. And the more you persist and the more you're consistent and disciplined about this thought in your mind, you will start seeing it happen in your life. And a lot of people have this misconception that in order to manifest, you need to work hard as well. Like you need to work extremely hard and also think thoughts in your favor, which is not true at all. I am not someone who I consider like a hardworking person. Of course, I'm very passionate. I love making videos. I love editing, which does deal with, effort. I'm not saying that I don't make effort, but I also believe in the fact that you don't have to be a hard worker in order to manifest things. As long as you take the aligned action and you just think thoughts in your favor that I don't have to work that hard. I just get it. Like, I just make one video that goes viral. That's just my new reality. That's just my new norm. Like one video per day is enough for me to become viral or to become famous or whatever you want to think, whatever thoughts that are aligned in your favor, you can think that. It is never about the hard work. It is all about the energy that you're aligned with. As long as you are vibrating at a high frequency, it doesn't matter if you're working hard, you're working less, you're being lazy. All you have to do is shift those thoughts, take inspired or aligned action towards it, and let it go. Don't have any resistance. Don't hold any attachment to what you want. I have two methods for you. The first method is obviously robotic affirmations. All you have to do is listen to your desired, statements in a loop. You can listen for 20 to 30 minutes per day. That is what I recommend usually. I listen to my robotic affirmations for like 20 minutes each day, and that works like magic because the rest of the time I am automatically thinking thoughts in my favor. But if you do think and you do believe that you're just starting off and maybe 20 minutes is too less for you, then you can definitely listen to my affirmation tapes for like 30 to 60 minutes per day, even 2 hours per day. My clients initially used to listen for 2 hours per day. So there isn't any limit. It is up to you completely. If you want to listen to it overnight or you want to listen to it for 2 hours per day, that is totally your choice. You can do what you prefer. The second method is obviously scripting. I spoke so much about this in my previous videos as well. I script like the best case scenario, like just make a journal or a diary entry where I just write, this is what my life is. I just get 30 clients per day. Like, this is my new normal. Just normalizing what I really want to see in my life. I just write that down. So let's just say I am telling you, you earn $1,000 per day. This might be a bit surprising to you, this might be shocking to you, or you could take it negatively, like, how is it even possible for me? Like, I can't earn $1,000 per day, like, it's literally impossible. Then you just have to rewire your thoughts and refocus and realign your energy. As long as you have a high self concept, making $1,000 a day should feel normal to you. Like, it should be like, oh, it's just $1,000 per day, of course I can make $1,000 per day. So as soon as you match that frequency where making $1,000 per day is, seems easy for you, or seems like your new normal, or something that isn't impossible or unbelievable or shocking to you, that's when you will see a shift in everything that's happening. I make sure that whatever figure I'm writing down when I'm scripting, whether it's $1,000 per day, $500 per day, or even something like $300 per day, I write it knowing and fully believing that I am aligned with that energy. Whatever it is, when I write it down knowing that it's already done. Like, this is my new normal. And I always assume the best case scenario, where I don't write down just because I think, oh, I'm delusional, I'm just going to manifest it that way. No, I write it with pure intention and confidence that this is my new reality, this is my new normal. Even when you're assuming the best case scenario, you assume it in a way that makes it believable to you, and also at the same time you have that pure intention when you're writing down, knowing that it's going to happen and it's your new normal. The more intentionally you write something down, the better you can manifest it. If you're randomly going to write something like, oh, I earn $1 million per day, and you just think all the other time you're broke, you're poor, of course it's not going to manifest. Of course you're not going to get $1 billion per day. As long as you can brainwash your subconscious mind and normalize a statement, normalize a fact, or normalize the best case scenario that you're scripting about, you will manifest it for sure. My clients have literally seen their results in like 3 days, 4 days, 1 week. That is how fast things can shift in your favor. Robotic affirmations work the best for me, and that is what has worked personally for most of my clients. In case you want to check out my robotic affirmations package, you can check it out on my Top Mate page. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I just wanted to tell you guys that you have to assume the best case scenario. Even when you're feeling down, even when you're feeling sad, it doesn't matter. Just assume that everything works out in your highest favor, and whatever you want is just coming to you. Assume that, and just watch how your life is going to change. Like, you can literally see the changes overnight. You can literally see the changes in the next couple of days or weeks, just by rewiring your thoughts and thinking the best in your favor. So yeah, that was it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Lots of love. Bye.